Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian Economy by Aman Soni. In today's news hour, we'll be discussing the important articles related to economy from the Hindu newspaper. In page 1, we have a news related to FCRA, the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Here for prelims, we need to understand that it is the Home Ministry that approves the applications and renews it under the Foreign Contributions Regulations Act, and it is not the Finance Ministry. In the options they can give Finance Ministry, but it is the Home Ministry. We should also need to read what are the types of NGOs that are allowed to take funds and what are the restricted activities, like you cannot take funds for political purposes, journalists, government servants, all this category of people, they can't take foreign funds. In the editorial page, we have a news related to economy. This article talks about the occupational safety and health hazards. It says that occupational safety and health is a human right, also a labor right, and it requires two things, that is strong monitoring, which is a need for inspections, and comprehensive data and statistics to understand the type of inspections happening so that we can take measures to control those accidents. And we don't need to go through the details of all this, that is not important for exam. You can just need to know that the Labor Bureau publishes the statistics related to the industrial accidents. Let's look at this editorial. In the previous news hour, we have already discussed that the index of industrial production has fallen to 0.4% in the current month. And we have discussed how the various factors are factored in while calculating it, and what are the components under the index of industrial production, who releases it. Now the article analyzes what it means to economy, what a falling IIP means to the economy. Even during the second wave of COVID, the service sector was affected. The sectors where it had human touch involved was affected, but the manufacturing was not that affected. But now the decreasing trend shows that even the manufacturing is affected. Now the irony is, even if the lockdowns are eased, there is labor force gaps and consumer confidence is not there. That is why we have discussed in the previous news hours that the rural demand, the consumption demand is too low, and the government has to focus on kickstarting the consumption demand to revive the economy. The industrial output, which should have been sharper, it is not picking up, whereas in fact it has fallen to a 10-month low of 0.4%. On the other hand, we have GST collections of January being one of the highest collections. So it is a contradictory picture. On one hand, you have low manufacturing. On the other hand, there are high GST collections. So the editorial for that says the tax collections could be high because of the high inflation, and the small taxpayers have an option under GST Act to file for quarterly returns. So instead of filing every month, they can file for the entire quarter once. So this is for the ease of compliance. So if everyone, instead of filing in the second and third month, they file it in the first month, the collections in the first month would obviously show higher. So that could also be one of the reasons. And another reason which could be possible for the high GST revenue would be that the GST on the import of goods, which is continuously increasing. So even though GST revenues are increasing, it could not be because of the domestic production, it could be because of the inflation, it could be because of the quarterly tax filings, it could be because of the GST on the imported goods. These things would inflate the GST revenue. So the need currently now is to kickstart the consumer demand, because without consumer demand, the economy is going to get affected. Consumers are still in cautious mode. So we need to nudge the consumers to invest more and spend more. In the open editorial page, there is an article related to the semiconductor industry. If you have read the articles related to the semiconductor industry in the previous news hour, you can skip this because the points we have already covered. So no need to read it again. You can just glance through it and see if you can find any new points. If the points are the same, you can just skip through the article. In the news page, no news related to economy. Again, article related to Sri Lanka's debt situation. We have already covered in the news are why Sri Lanka faced a debt situation and how did India help, what did China do, all that. So it is the same repetition. You can again skip through it. Again, article on bond yields, US federal rates, impact of US Fed government changing the interest rates, how it would impact the Indian bond market. All this we have already discussed. So you need to understand here that few things keep repeating in the newspaper again and again. Once you have properly studied it, you need not go through all the articles related to that topic. You need to just glance through it and look for any new points which you can find. And if it's the same repetition of the news, you can skip through it and save your time. And no need to read this technical article. Those are the articles related to economy today. Thank you so much.